Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Remember when I did my Louis Vuitton unboxing recently? If you watched it, you'll know what this is. I snagged the Louis Vuitton Kirigami set. Yes, it's the 3-pouch set in this beautiful envelope style with the Kirigami design, which means basically a variation of origami that involves all kinds of folding, and it's just a very simple design. So it comes in 3. And here's the smallest one. But I want to focus on the largest one for today's video because I had mentioned when I did my unboxing that I could use the medium one for passports and then I can use the smallest one for cards and cash, which I did actually use recently in Florida on our vacation. If you missed our vacay vlog, I will link it up above. So this large one has been a little bit of a mystery for me in terms of figuring out how to use it. Now, I know that a lot of you use this as a bag or as a clutch. I personally, that's me personally, I do not love the look of this as a bag or a crossbody bag just because it's quite slim and I feel like it doesn't really mold to the body. But I do want to experiment with this here. I got this from ZOOMONI. And you guys know I'm a fan of ZOOMONI. They make all kinds of felt organizers and inserts. And I do have a pretty generous promo code down below in my description box for, I think it's still 20% off if you are interested in shopping and you wanted to save money. So this one here is basically an insert for the large Kirigami and it's the matching pink. I think this is the icing pink color, I believe. It's pretty close, isn't it? And this is what it looks like in terms of the configuration. So it's got one pocket here and another pocket next to it. So that's 2 on one side. And then on the other side, there's a larger compartment. And then, of course, there's the main compartment. And then I've noticed that whenever ZOOMONI sends their organizers, there's always a little small separate pocket like this. It's kind of like bonus. Maybe they use the excess felt, I don't know, which is kind of cool if they're just, not wanting to waste the leftover trimmings, but this is a good idea. Sometimes I put my lotions or my lip balm in here. So this here, the reason why I wanted this specifically is because it comes with the 2 D-rings on each side and I wanted to experiment. And experiment, I feel like, is the name of the game these days. I am feeling very experimental and playful. In fact, I have been experimenting quite a bit lately, and that's probably because in the summertime I don't know, I kind of come to life. I was born in the summer, so I am a summer baby. My birthday's coming up. And recently I unboxed this Hermes Twilly and I love how it is looking on my Birkin. I feel like it's so playful and youthful and just light and soft and all of that. So along those lines, I am experimenting now with this Kirigami. So I've put the insert inside there and I've got a bunch of things here. So first, let me try this little vachetta leather wristlet, and obviously it would just be on one side, but I wonder if this would make it a little bit more handy to use as a clutch or as a pouch, and voila, that's actually very easy. So button it up. Yeah, so I can do this and be hands-free if I need to versus holding it like this, which is kind of like the classic clutch style, right? So that works for sure. This is from Dress Up Your Purse. You guys know I always have promo code for Dress Up Your Purse as well in my description box. I have so many of their things and I'm a big fan. So let's try this. This is also from Dress Up Your Purse. Huge, chunky Bottega style chain. To be honest, it's quite heavy, but I played around with this with my pochette accessoire. But let's see what it looks like on here with the Kirigami. Oh my gosh, it's gonna look very let me see. I think it's gonna add such a pop. Wow. Okay. Wow. Now it's definitely heavy, but since the pouch itself is all canvas and a little bit of that leather lining, it's very light in general. So adding a chain like this is not terrible. Oh my gosh, you guys, what do you guys think of this? I do like the contrast of like the big chunkiness against the very simple, slim silhouette. What do you think? It's fun, isn't it? And yeah, that's why I'm just looking for ideas to use this. I just want to have some fun with it. I don't want to be super conventional and always so practical about everything. Let's see if I can pull this off. So these have like really chunky round rings that add weight, but let's see if I were to do something like this. Oh, this is considerably lighter. This, I remember, it's from Next Fashion, which is a Canadian-based company. I don't have a promo code for them, but I actually corresponded with the owner and he was absolutely lovely. So especially for my Canadian-based viewers, if you're looking for something closer to home and maybe faster shipping perhaps than ordering from the US, this might be a good option. Next Fashion. So, and they have a lot of different chains. So that's really cool too, dresses it up. It just makes it a little bit more fun. And of course, if you want it to be hands-free, you could just grab it like this as well and put it in the crook of your arm even. I think anything that is versatile just makes it better, right? So I have a few more I want to show you, and I would love your vote on which chain or accessory you like best with it. I think I'm just going to use this as a casual clutch with some kind of accessory hanging from it like this. These are pearls. I can't remember where this is from. It might be from a company that's now out of... Was it from Dress Up Your Purse? I honestly cannot remember. Or was it from another company that's out of commission now? See here. Okay, so that's a totally different look, isn't it, with the pearls? So let's close this back up. What do you guys think? It looks like it's smiling. It's kind of tricky because you can't exactly hold it or grab. Oh, well, you can actually. You can grab it because there's some space here, but the pearls themselves move around a bit. But I do think it's fun, especially if you're really into pearls. Gives it a feminine look to it. And gosh, so many different options, right? You can also put a leather strap or a fabric strap. This one is a bicolor chain, also from Dress Up Your Purse. I don't know if they still sell this. It was a while ago. They might have sold out, but for the really popular items, they always restock. I know some of you are still waiting for the vachetta leather medium size envelope pouch. So the medium size of this basically, but in the vachetta leather. I have it. I've been using it for my passports. And it's sold out again for like the 10th time, and I'm hoping that it'll come back in stock for those of you who are waiting. But here's the bicolor chain. That's really fun too. I think it adds some dimension to it. So isn't that fun? Getting one little insert really adds so many different options. So I am going to have some fun playing with this and testing it out. Here's what it looks like just with the organizer and the chain. Right? So I can keep going. I have so many other chain options that I can use. I think this is going to be a little bit short. Yeah. This actually fits on my mini pochette. This is from Organize My Bag, another company that I really enjoy shopping from. I think I still have a valid promo code from them as well down below. So I'll link every promo code that I have if I can. So you can save money if you like. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. And I'd just love to know your thoughts. If you're really into like classics and neutrals and you're generally kind of safe like I am with your style choices, are you also branching out and having some more fun these days? If you are, let me know because I would love to know that. I'm having fun for sure. For sure I'm having fun, so I might go a little bit outside my usual. So don't be surprised in the upcoming videos. I do have some really exciting unboxings and another shopping vlog coming and just lots of good stuff. So stay tuned and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and join our handbag loving community, and I will see you all next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.